Hi, I'm Selena, an educator with 20 years of teaching experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll focus on the FTCE Middle Grades Social Science 5 through 9 038 exam, specifically on knowledge of history. You'll explore key historical events, figures, and themes, and learn strategies to help students connect with history in meaningful ways. Let's get started. The first major battle of the American Civil War was A. Bull Run, B. Gettysburg, C. Antietam, or D. Fredericksburg. B. Gettysburg is incorrect. This was a major battle, but it happened much later and is known as a turning point in the war. Antietam is incorrect. This battle came after Bull Run and is known for being the bloodiest single day in the war. D. Fredericksburg is incorrect. This battle also happened after Bull Run and was a significant Confederate victory. The correct answer is A. Bull Run. The first major battle of the American Civil War occurred at Bull Run. After struggling early on, the Confederacy pushed the Union back to Washington, signaling the South would be a more formidable opponent than some had assumed. What was the name of the law passed by the English Parliament that made King Henry VIII the head of the Church in England? A. Act of Dominion, B. Act of Supremacy, C. Act of Dominance, or D. Protestant Act of 1534. A. Act of Dominion. This is not the correct name and does not relate to Henry VIII's church authority. C. Act of Dominance. This is not an actual law and is not related to the Church of England. D. Protestant Act of 1534. While the Act of Supremacy was passed in 1534 and involved Protestant changes, this is not the correct title. The correct answer is B. The Act of Supremacy, which was passed in 1534, made Henry VIII head of the Church in England. This led to the establishment of the Church of England, a branch of the Protestant faith. Which of the following inventions were created during the First Industrial Revolution? A. Spinning jenny, B. Windmill, C. Gunpowder, or D. Movable type. B. Windmill is incorrect. This was invented long before the Industrial Revolution. C. Gunpowder is incorrect. Invented centuries earlier. D. Movable type is incorrect. This was developed in the 15th century for printing. The correct answer is A. The spinning jenny was a machine that made weaving more efficient and mechanized. Movable type, windmills, and gunpowder were invented well before the First Industrial Revolution. Which European power brought African slaves to Florida in the 17th century? A. The French, B. The Spanish, C. The English, or D. The Dutch. A. The French is incorrect. While the French were involved in colonizing parts of North America, they did not bring African slaves to Florida. C. The English is incorrect. The English colonized areas further north and later, but Florida was controlled by Spain. D. The Dutch is incorrect. The Dutch were active in trade and colonization, but not in Florida during that time. The correct answer is B. The Spanish brought African slaves to Florida in the 17th century. The Spanish used African labor to build and maintain their settlements. The first African slaves arrived in Florida in 1565 with the founding of St. Augustine. Thanks for joining me while we worked on some practice questions on the FTCE Middle Grades Social Science 5 through 9 038 exam. For even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. With our resources, you will know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.